All right, guys, here we go. Webcam's up, mic's up, desktop audio's up or off. So there we go, guys. It's going to jump right into today's watch list. Now, today we are watching, 4 stocks, 5 stocks. Our biggest gapper is up 62%. It's HIL. HIL just doesn't look good. Very choppy during the day, and it's just not. It's not fun. Acquired, so looks like an acquisition, but we're not going to be trading that because it's probably going to stay stagnant for most of the day. But we are going to be looking at BBBY. BBBY yesterday had a massive run from $15.55 all the way up to $28, and we did make a new high just under $30 in pre-market. So we'll see if we can actually continue to squeeze over that. Over $30 over this pre-market high. I expect us all to rip all the way up to $33. So I'm going to go ahead and mark that as a key level. So if we can break above that, that's what I'm looking for BBBY. I don't really see any new news, but BBBY is one of the short squeeze stocks. Not short squeeze stock, one of the Reddit Wall Street bet stocks that everybody likes to trade. Excuse me. We also have BBIG. BBIG was ripping yesterday, opened up, and absolutely it halted a few times to the upside, halted down, kept moving higher, and made a new high during after hours. And we are pulling back now in pre-market. So we'll see if BBBY can actually break this downtrend here. So we might be able to see it break and crack and continue to push up to that 163 mark for BBIG. We also have we have BWV. BWV is another rip runner. Closed yesterday at 255 and hit a high in after hours of 367 and is pulling back and now sitting around 323. So we can definitely see a possible big move here from BWV. I'm not a huge fan of the doji candles and the high upper wicks on the 10 and 15 minute candles, so I'm going to just play it safe. We pushed up into this area once more and got hammered down, so we'll see what happens if we can actually get past all these selling to continue higher. We also have APRN. APRN closed yesterday at 538 below the 200 SMA on the daily, and now we had a high of 695 during after hours and sitting around 654 at the moment, above the moving average. We're actually above yesterday's high as well, so above 7, where do we have room to? Above 7, we have room up to 8. Over 8, we have room up to 9, really. 8, 9. So, I definitely think we'll be able to see APRN continue to push higher if we can hold this level. We also have QNRX, made a very nice double top in pre-market, so we are pulling back. There could be a nice downtrend on this play if we do actually get the break over. I'm not going to play it just because it's not the cleanest, and I'm not confident in it yet. I don't really see any news, but QNRX does have good volume. So those are the top stocks that we're watching for the day. Thank you guys so much for jumping in. Everyone smash that like button. We're at 500 likes already. Thank you all so much. Let's get to 1,000 likes. I know we can. Also, let me know any tickers that you guys want me to go over because we are in pre-market. I already went over my watch list. I can go over it again if you would like. At the moment, I'm sitting on my hands. I don't see anything that is really catching my eye. So, trading's all about just it's basically like guerrilla warfare. You attack, lead, attack, lead, attack, lead. You have to know exactly what your plan is. You have to go in, execute that plan, and then get out. So it's like in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. And that in and out could be over a few weeks, could be a few seconds, could be a few minutes. Doesn't matter. You're just in when you have the advantage in your favor, and you're out when you're not. Give me 1 second. I'm just pulling up my TikTok on my laptop so I can see the chat. All right, there we go, guys. At the moment, we're not really seeing anything. We're not seeing anything. We do have ear. I haven't looked at ear, so let's look at ear real quick. Ear could be breaking this downtrend. Very well could be breaking this downtrend. I'm going to add it actually to my watch list. So, So we'll see if ear actually gets some action. I am adding it to my watch list, and it's added. But we'll see if it breaks and continues higher. I don't really. Oh, we might have news. Jump 55% following Q2 results, so that's good. FDA approved sale over-the-counter hearing aids. That's great. That's great news for ear. That's great news. So we might be able to see a break of this wedge pattern. We don't want to see it crack to the downside. But we're getting a lot of volume here of our VWAP. We'll see if we can hold this. Doesn't look like it. We definitely need a pullback. Let's see if VWAP is a good, strong support level. Because if it's not, then we are actually not going to take this. A few videos ago, you explained volume and how candles get smaller with larger volume. Awesome. Yes. So that's called stopping volume, and there's a bunch of different ways you can do it. But stopping volume is when the spreads of the candles is decreasing, but the volume is increasing. For example, you have a big spread candle, a nice big move higher with good volume, and then you see a doji candle with higher volume. That is telling that those buyers pushed directly into a selling wall and those sellers caught them at that level, at that doji candle, and we're most likely going to come lower. Thanks for the likes. Thank you guys for the likes. And if you guys are looking to get more education and learn how to trade and just trade with the community, I use them every single day. Alpha Day Trading. Go check them out. The link is in my bio. You get so much. Everything. Education is daily. You get the morning stock newsletter. You get the scanners that he uses, that I use to find best stocks for the day. So you don't really have to go through FinViz. You don't have to do anything. These are live scanners that are AI. They'll tell us, oh, here's a stock, here's a stock, here's a stock, here's a stock, here's a stock. So that's very, very helpful, as well as being in the community of people who make thousands of dollars a day. Kamal, Corey locks in a few $100s a day. Josh locks in a few $100s a day. There's so many people who lock in just every single day to actually do this for a living. So if you guys are interested, go check them out. Alpha Day Trading in the first bio. So, I mean, we're at 625 likes. There we go. Awesome. AM spinach. I don't really understand what that means, but all right. Again, we're not really seeing anything. Let's look at the SPY. What's going on with the SPY? And let me know what you guys want me to look up. All right, the SPY closed bullish, but we went up and tapped 200 SMA and then started getting rejected. Now we are getting rejected off this area. Good thing my buddy actually entered a UVXY position, which is the SPY but 3x. So good morning. Hopefully this SPY is going to continue to drop today. So assuming Tesla is going to continue to drop. Good morning. Welcome to the stream. Welcome for popping in. Thank you all so much. We are looking at Tesla at the moment, and will it go up and down? Before I even do an analysis, I have no idea where the stock's going to go. I'm just doing technical analysis. That technical analysis is not always true. But when you're using it, pairing it with a strategy that you know has a higher win rate, and you have good quantitative data that shows that your position sizing is good, then you can make money. So this is not financial advice. I have no idea where the stock is going to go. But what it looks like is that we are going to continue lower because we had a breakout over the highs and got rejected. And now currently we bounced off the 200 SMA, and now in pre-market we are actually pulling lower. So I would think we have more room to the downside on Tesla. I think we're going to come up and retest yesterday's close before continuing and pushing lower for Tesla. So that's my plan. Not a plan. That's what I think for Tesla. Again, I have no idea whether that's going to be true or not. I'm not trying to make it true. I'm just kind of giving you guys what I see. And we're starting to get some action on BWV. We had good, very, very good volume. Now we're starting to see a little bit of selling pressure, but I do think we're going to be able to see that squeeze up to 367. All screen, we want real results. Hey, real results. You have to put in the work if you want real results. It's not that easy. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. GME, AMC, and BBBY might be good day trades, but I would not swing them. GME, getting some action in pre-market, very well could continue to push higher. We also have AMC. Very well. I mean, not a huge fan. It's just choppy on the daily. And BBBY. BBBY is on my watch list, but again, I don't know how much I'm going to really take a trade on it. We'll have to see what happens. So we will see with BBBY. What do you think of CPNG? Let's look at CPNG. CPNG closed bullish or closed higher yesterday with good volume, so we were coming up into that area. I do think we're possibly going to see a nice higher, we're going to continue this and move higher. What we could see if we break 1850 is a nice pivot low on the daily, as well as a head and shoulders on the 15-minute. So head and shoulders, it's around $1 move, so you could probably expect targets of around 19 to 1930 on CPNG. Again, I have no idea where it's going to go. I'm just giving you what I see, what's possibility. You have to find your trade. You have to do your trade. Do you think AMC will go to the moon? If the moon is below you, yes. So I mean, AMC is not going to go to the moon. It might get a couple pops like it has been, but it's not going to continue to push. I mean, AMC is a dying company. Thank you, good sir. Look at my profile. These gurus, man, just can't. I don't need all this extra stuff. Trading is simple. Don't mark up charts. Just have enough money. Oh, that's a great strategy. Just having enough money. That doesn't matter. It doesn't matter the amount of capital that you have. It's a matter about how consistent can you be in making money. Trading simple on paper, but it gets hard when you start to add the human mind. The human mind can't process statistics, and it's like a computer. Like the human mind, once you can almost act like a computer, it's real, bro. You're weak, dude. You haven't come on this stream to say anything positive about your strategy or whatever. It's all mindset. It is all mindset. So once you can tell me what your strategy is in detail, you should be able to write it in one sentence. How much you make today? I haven't made a single stock today. I haven't made a single trade today. So, and trading's not hard on paper, but when you add a human mind, it's hard to manage your emotions. What do you think about Meta and the metaverse as well as the Oculus headset? I love the Oculus headset. That's fun. Meta's Facebook. It's whatever. I hate Facebook. I hate whatever his name is, Mark Zuckerberg. And the metaverse, Mark Zuckerberg is not going to know the metaverse. The metaverse is just a fancy name for the new internet, because the internet is transferring over to work on blockchain. So that is basically what the metaverse is going to be. And it could transform into anything, but that's the when people say metaverse, they're talking about you being able to be self-sovereign in the crypto market, being on a blockchain. You'd be able to interact without having a bank. You being able to interact without, you'd be able to move your money without, people are going to know because it's on the blockchain. It's not hidden. But it's a good time to buy Google stocks. Probably it's down. Hey Cole, what about, I'm not a Forex trader. What do you think about Meta? How is AMC a dying company, bro, when the earnings show the opposite? It's just people aren't going to be going to movie theaters as much. They're going to continue to scare you. The government's going to continue to want to keep people in fear and keep people away from each other. They want to continue to scare you guys. Why do you think you think Corona was man-made? It wasn't natural. They want to instill fear in you. And I'm sure monkeypox is the same fucking way. Get this jab, get this vaccine. They want you to be scared so they have control. Be like, oh, here, we'll provide you safety. So in that scenario, I don't think that they're going to encourage streaming. They don't want people to go out. Why on earth do you have so many monitors? So, oh shit. So I just nailed my mic. Sorry for anybody who's on YouTube. So this screen, I have my watch list, so I can just glance up and see any stock that's moving that I have on my watch list, so I don't have to sift through my stocks. That saves 10, 20, 30 seconds. Then I have my daily chart, 10 and 15 minute. Now, why I have so many different time frames is because I'm looking at the relative volume to the price action on each time frame. Ideally, you're going to find a good volume break on the higher time frame, go down to the lower time frame, and then look for that volume break on the lower time frame so you can catch that volume squeeze on the higher time frame, but you're actually jumping in on the lower time frame. And I have the 1 minute, 5 minute, and then I have another daily chart here because people who are watching my stream can't actually see this. Buy Bitcoin. Yes, I 100% agree. What broker do you use? I use TD Ameritrade, Thinkorswim. Can you get some more monitors, bro? Yeah, I actually got one right here. But should I get some more? Should I put some right underneath? I think I should. Does that mean more money? More monitors, more money? That's exactly what that means. Sheesh. I'm saying. Buy NASDAQ. I believe you're mapping gold. No, guys, I haven't seen anything. What's your P&L for the year? Are you up? No, actually, I think I am up on the year, but I'm not up on my overall count just because I'm dug myself in the hole in the first 6 months. That's why I always tell you guys, don't take what I'm taking. I'm still learning. This is still one of my hobbies, and I'm trying to make this. This is a side hustle for me. Still continuing to try to learn and grow. He's not up. Check the profile. I never said I was. I'm not going to lie to you guys. Trading is not simple. Trading is not easy. Good morning, Joey. How you doing? Welcome to the stream. Again, my goal is to take you guys through the process of learning to become a six-figure trader. That takes well over a year to learn. Like, it could take up to 2 years. I don't trade Forex, so AMC is just in the crossfire of the U.S. government, so they should take my 10K elsewhere. I have no idea. If you believe in AMC, believe in AMC. My opinion does not mean shit. Don't listen to anybody on TikTok. Don't listen to me. Don't take any financial advice. Each year I dump six figures at this market. Hey, awesome. That's all. I love that for you. I hope you continue to do that. I hope you absolutely kill it. Is pocket options good? No, it's not. Thanks for speaking the truth. Hey, no problem, man. I'm always want to speak the truth. I don't want to lie to you guys at all. I don't want to show. I'm not trying to get you guys to do something. I'm just gonna let you know what I do and what I use as a trader. And what I found a lot of value from. The best value that I have found from education is actually alpha day trading. The hundreds of hours of lessons, the daily breakdowns, the scanners, the daily lessons, and the community around it is just so well. So Jesus Christ is God in real life. Well, God is the overall infinite intelligence that actually has made every single thing in this universe. So people just put a human existence to God when they can't actually fathom a non-physical intelligence. So Tesla bearish? Yes, I would agree. So if you guys are looking to trade, get some education, there is free lessons on alpha day trading. Go to the link in my bio, select video lessons library, and then select intro membership lessons. You will have to make a membership, but it's free. You don't have to put in any credit cards or any information. Then you get, I think it's like 10 hours of lessons. So you don't need all the monitors. Yeah, I actually do. I use them every single day. I use every single one every day, actually. Hey, look behind you. When the chart's going crazy. Whoa! Dude, I missed it. Fuck. I need to actually flip my camera. Give me 1 sec. Oh, not that way. That way. So now you guys are actually seeing the how it actually is. Stocks are going to the right. All right, here we go, guys. Do you guys have any song requests? Right now we're listening to some Beat It. We could throw on some Red Hot Chili Peppers, set the mood right. We have 4 minutes until market opens. I think we should. Thank you all for the likes. BBIG, it's in my watch list. I like BBIG. So let's see. I'm going to put on some Red Hot Chili Peppers until someone suggests something. If they like it. Where you come from? I'm from Ohio. Top picks for the second half of August. I'm not a swing trader. I'm a day trader. So my trades, the stocks that I pick are different every single day. What time frame you use? 1 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute, daily. Sometimes a 3 minute. We have GNUS. I'm not a huge fan of it. We are gapping up a good amount, but like 2, 3, 5. Year looks pretty good. And I'm going to add GNUS. You trade the most XBX? No. And from Vietnam, do you think Bitcoin? Yes, Bitcoin's a great buy. You have any long-term investment portfolio or just trade? Yes, I have a cryptocurrency long-term portfolio, but I trade equities. since I'm so young, I want to put as much money as I can into crypto because I'm willing to lose all that. Because I'm young. I want to invest as much as I can in cryptocurrency just in case I do get one right. Just in case Bitcoin continues to move higher, which I think Bitcoin has a high probability of continuing to move. Thanks. Have you been watching GEO? No, I haven't. Smart man. I want to lean. Can I get that? Wait, I want to learn. Can I get that chance? Yes, you can, actually, for free. And if you want a membership, you can. But the best way to learn for free is probably going to the link in my bio, going to Alpha Day Trading, and then selecting Video Lessons Library, and then selecting the Intro Membership Lessons. They're free lessons. I think it's like 8 or 10 hours. Smart man, SMDL. Not a huge fan of it. There's really nothing bullish, nothing bearish on it. It's really just, I don't know. We have been moving up higher, but again, I'm not gonna try to predict anything that I don't have super high confidence in. Give you some quotes. I can't think any off the top of my head. If I do think of some, but let's go ahead and read our trading rules that I like to read every single day. Again, guys, the market is random, so we have no idea whether the market's going to go up or down. But you have to be consistent to your strategy, because if you're consistent to your strategy, then you'll have a higher probability of coming out on top in the course of 100 trades. It's okay not to trade. Cash is a position. Always use a hard stop. I will always have 3 reasons to jump to any given trade. I will have consistent position sizing. You will have losing streaks. Trading is a business. Take every trade seriously and in line with your strategy because it's going in your logbook. And only trade strong trends. You really need few monitors for trading. No, you do not. It's just helpful. You can trade on one monitor. What wallet are you using? I'm using MetaMask. I have Trust Wallet. Spy puts. Yes, I agree with that, but I don't have anything on there. I forgot what I was about to. Hola, thanks for stopping in, guys. Everyone smash that like button. Let's get to 2,000 likes. I know we can. I forget exactly. Oh, yeah. Okay. And market is live, guys. All right. We are live now, guys. We are live. BBIG is looking pretty good. What a washout long. What a beautiful washout long. $1 move there. Holy cow. BBIG is, BBBY, excuse me, is sitting at 26.63. Thoughts on Matic? I really like Matic. Please type the wallet name for me, please. Give me MetaMask. That is the wallet I use, and Trust Wallet. Holy cow, BBBY is absolutely cruising. What a washout long. Holy cow. What a fucking move. We're getting halted to the upside, guys. Halted to the upside. Oh, are we not? Holy cow. $30 a new high. What a massive move. And BWV is absolutely ripping. Holy shit. What a hot market. Thoughts on PulseX launch? You've been waiting for way too long. Fucking Rich Art definitely scammed a lot of y'all. I don't know about scam, but he fucking got a halt. We're about to get halted on BWV. Squeeze up into a halt, and I'm gonna look to jump in here. Squeeze up into a halt, I'm gonna look to jump in. Squeeze up into a halt, not getting filled. Let's see. I want to see that. Doesn't look like nope, the buyers aren't there. Neither for the BBIG. I want to see very light volume on this move lower. and then I want to see this continue to squeeze up over 5. Hola, thoughts? I hold 9K Sheed, 9K XRP, 9K Cardano, and 9K H-Bar. That sounds like a pretty good portfolio to me. I mean, except Shiba's a little bit questionable. All right, guys, we're having a BWV starting to rip. Let's see a nice decreasing volume pullback down to around $4, and we'll look to jump in with more. We have BBBY as well. Holy cow, watch, very light volume. Very, very light volume, but holy shit, what a move. Watch for BWV to do the same thing. Here come the buyers. I'm not jumping in though. Not jumping in. Could have gotten in around 430. Would have been up around 10 cents already. But I don't think it's ready. I don't think it's mature enough to really figure it out. We also have ear starting to break out. Ear's looking like it might want to break out here. We're on the 1 minute. What's the SPY doing? SPY's continuing to drop. GNUS dropping. But at the moment, we're watching ear. Watch ear for the break here. BBBY and BWV. I think BBIG. BBIG here. I think BBIG has room up to around 163, but holy cow, look at that. If I can catch 10 cents, that would be ideal. For BBIG, we have ear as well starting to break out. I think we have room up to 3, but I want to see a nice pullback of this trend line, and then I want to see a break. We could see QNRX start to get some action. So let's see if EARS. Hey, dude, stop sending that. Look at all the, oh my god, indicators galore. I don't have a lot of indicators. I have moving averages. I have 4 moving averages, the 9, 20, 50, and 200. VWAP, volume, and RSI. Not a lot. I don't know how to kick you, so give me 1 sec, guys. Sorry, I might be missing something because manage, block. I don't want to see you type or spam tokens in my chat. Tesla, is Tesla looking good? I mean, Tesla I think is looking a little bit more bearish. I think ear can break this downtrend and push up to 280. Once we see buying, once we see some buying, I'm gonna look to jump in here. Jumped in pretty anticipation at 250. Just looking for 250. Minute 252. Once we continue, my stop is now below 247. Let's see a nice squeeze higher. 247. Stop could be 10 cents. I'm going to take some off as we squeeze higher. I want to see this. It has to be on this candle if we're going to continue to push higher. Has to be on this candle. There it is. Continue push. Squeeze over that high. We're not getting that volume. I'm going to go ahead and sell some there just to protect my profits. Continue to see that squeeze. We're not really seeing too much here. Let's see this thing continue. I have 150 shares left. Let's see this thing continue to push. I like the volume. I don't want to see it back down below there. It's not super strong. Had to sell it there. Didn't like it. I got $28 out of that, $29. Nothing crazy, but 250 times 2.52 equals 60. That was a nice 5% trade. That was pretty easy, but it's pulling back, so I had to cut it. So was able to get that. Was a little bit, didn't like that price action, so I had to cut it, which was okay. Cut it pretty early. It still could rip and run, but I'm not gonna force a trade when I don't have to. BBIG starting to rip up here. So let's see what we can do. Is this about to get halted? No, it's not. I'm gonna go in with around 450 shares. Look for a nice decreasing volume pullback down into the around 140-ish area, and then I'm gonna look for a nice squeeze up to 160. BBIG, Josh is watching it. BBIG, he has 1100 shares on the play. So I want to see a quick pullback down to 140, and I'm gonna look to buy. We see the 90 MA just crossed VWAP there. I'm gonna look for the same thing. I'm looking for a quick pullback down to like 42. My stop is gonna be around 35, so I'm risking around 10 cents if I enter here. I want to risk less than that, but you know, it's all good if I can't. Let's see it continue to pull back. Come on, I know you want to. Want to see that pullback down to this area, retest it around 141, and then see a nice squeeze up to 160. Let's see, nice. There's the drop. That's what I wanted to see. Don't want to catch a falling knife, but I do want to wait. We have 10 seconds left in this candle, so. What stock did you sell? Nice song. Thank you. What's your trading, brother? I trade off trigger points. When a stock pushes up over a trigger point, there'll be a lot of volume. I like to catch the buying order wave that comes into patterns that people trade. So I watch volume. I do volume price analysis. That's how I trade. Not seeing anything so far this morning. Wealthdeen, what's up? Welcome to the stream. Thank you so much for stopping. Yeah, BBIG, BBBY is ripping and running. I had a nice trade on ear. And it's ripping. It's running. So I didn't have to even get stopped out there, but it just still continues to run. There's unfortunate, or just because we squeezed over the high and then pulled back below the high with increasing volume on a shooting star candle. So I thought we were going to continue to pull back, so I had to cut it. But then it just totally reverses and continues to push. That's what happens when being patient. I could have moved my stop to break even and then caught the rest of the move, which is fine that I didn't. But so after ear, I'm not really seeing much at the moment. What's G and US doing? Not really liking it. BBBY. Not really liking BBIG. We'll see if we can get back above VWAP, but that the 5-minute doji candle does not look good. I missed BWV. Same here. I missed it as well. I thought it was going to get halted, but it did not. I like that volume. I like the volume here. We don't have that volume, the buying volume. For what do you think about AMC? Please. I think AMC's more bearish at the moment. It looks weak. Ears moving and running. Only if I could catch the whole move. Did not. Which is fine. I should have had my stop lower. I didn't get stopped out though, but I wanted to see that squeeze, but we just weren't getting it. So let's see a pullback and then look for a nice squeeze from ear. BBIG, very light volume, but we'll see if we can actually hold VWAP here. How can I join you? If you want to join, again, I'm not the head leader and trader inside. I'm an affiliate because I really like Alpha Day Trading. They're my favorite platform. I use them literally every single day. So if you do want to check them out, go to the link in my bio and then suggest with AMC until he gets over 20. Yeah, I mean AMC's. But if you do want to learn and average NPC, I mean to me you're the NPC because you're commenting on my live streams. Which platform? Alpha Day Trading. They're the first link in my bio. Go check them out. I am affiliated with them because I use their platform every single day, and I absolutely love it. So they have a lot of education. They have a lot of just professional traders who trade in there. So definitely go check it out. BBIG is starting to push higher. Not a lot of volume from ear. We'll see if we can push over this high, over $3. Hello, traders. Welcome to the stream, guys. Let's get to 2,000 likes. I know we can. I do just staring at a bunch of graphs. Yeah, that's exactly what I do. Let's see if BWV can break this downtrend and continue to push. I think we could see it up to around 470, maybe to even 450 is the first target. Let's see some volume. I also want to see an inside candle on the 5-minute. Thank you. Stock market plan at finance detailing. LOL. Do you ever get confused? Yes, sometimes. How much do you? I mean, but I don't really get super confused now, just because I know exactly what I'm looking for. What do you think about meta trading 0.5 platform? No idea. Haven't used it. I mean, ear just wants to continue to rip and run. I was in at 250, but just couldn't hold. It just didn't look super bullish. I like BBIG. BBIG looks pretty good. Looks like we're about to break. I just didn't get my entry. I like the volume. I'm in at 145, looking for that squeeze higher. We don't ever squeeze over 145. I got filled pretty shitty there. My stop is below VWAP at 139. Let's see the squeeze. Let's see this thing squeeze. I entered in with very low size for some reason. Let's see that thing squeeze. We're seeing volume now. Let's see this thing move. Yeah, I entered in with no size whatsoever. So I'm going to try to get in with another 250 shares if I can jump in. That would have been a great trade. I mean, we'll see. We'll see if this thing continues to push and squeeze. I want to see this thing up at 160 today of BBIG. We have a break of this downtrend. Good volume on the break. On the 5-minute, it looks pretty bearish. I'm going to look for... I don't want to see it close below the high. I'm in a good spot at the moment. So we'll see if this can get a nice bullish push. Yep, that's what I like to see. Not able to scale in with my full position, which is unfortunate. We're having a little pause in the move before we start to squeeze higher. We have buyers at one. Right, if we break through the 150, we're going to see a big move. Break through 150, we're going to see a big move. I'm looking at the level 2 now, watching for those 150 sellers to get taken out. Those sellers get taken out at 150, we're going to see a massive spike. Probably up to 155, 160. And I wasn't able to get that in with very, very small size. Unfortunate. Very, very unfortunate, guys. I can't jump in this size now, but let's see if we can get this push all the way up to 163. Man, what a terrible trade to miss my full position on. That's unfortunate. I'm in on BBIG with 150 shares. Very, very small. Looking to go in with around another 250. I think we have room up to 60. I want to see a nice pullback up in this area here, up to 146, 147, and then I'm going to look to scale in with the rest of my position for the nice bounce and to squeeze up to 260 or 160. Let me turn down this music. What platform this? This is a Thinkorswim. Where do you learn trading? If you want to learn, go to the link in my bio and select Alpha Day Trading. There's free lessons there as well as a bunch of other lessons. I think you have like 9 or 10 hours of free lessons as well as hundreds of hours of lessons if you're in the membership, as well as you get the morning stock newsletters. Oh, hold on. Give me 1 second, guys. Let's see this thing needs to start to bounce. That was a lot of volume on that selling candle, What site? Alpha Day Trading. Go to the link in my bio if you want to get access to it. I use them literally every single day. Literally every single day. So... there's a lot of volume there, so I think I'm going to go and sell my 150 there, just because it was unfortunate I wasn't able to get in with my full size, and it's very light volume. I'll take $13 on that. I mean, that's stupid, unfortunate, but, you know, it happens. You know, just miscalculated my position size. So it still could rip. It still could rip to the upside, and that would have been a good entry to actually look to scale out there. But what I didn't like was the increasing volume to the downside. I did not like that. And we're squeezing higher on decreasing volume. Let's see if we continue to push. We have a big seller at 155. Big seller at 155. There's that squeeze. There's that squeeze. Micro pullback, possibly? No? We squeezed over that area. Yep, look at that. I don't know. That might be it. We'll see what happens. That might be it from BBIG for a little bit, at least. We BWV starting to move. Or not move, but we're starting to get some action. I don't like this downtrend, so I'm going to adjust it. I think we could see room up to 454. Not a huge fan of it at the moment. BBIG, it's still ripping and running. There's 2,000 guys trying to sell 2,000 lots at 158. Knocked down to 1,900. Knocked down to 1,500, 1,400. There's so many buying pressure here. We're going to squeeze up higher. Boom. There's a 160. This thing is ripping at the moment. Don't touch it if you haven't got in. He's got his charts on the front screens. Screens to the right are prob level 2 news charts. Yeah, so watch list. My daily chart, higher time frames on the left side, lower time frames on the right side, with my news level 2 active trader, my watch list. I have everything on my screens for a reason. What do you think about BBBY? I think it's a great, you could make some money on it today. BBIG is absolutely cruising. Absolutely cruising. BWV starting to get some action, and of course it starts to rip and run. I wasn't able to jump in on it, was missing it. I just watched it, it just didn't look good, but we'll see what happens. Yeah, I definitely need a EAR to set up. Is this a stock market? Yes, broker platform. TD Ameritrade, Thinkorswim for the trading platform. We're at 2,000 likes, guys. Thank y'all so much. We'll see what happens. Let's look at Josh. I love it. Right now, guys, just sitting on my hands, waiting for the best opportunity. There's BBIG starting to pull back. Let's see a nice solid retest of 147 for a nice squeeze back up to the high. Let's see if we can get an actual good entry on it with a good amount of volume or a good amount of shares, because that was unfortunate. That would have been an absolute amazing trade if I was able. Wow, Pro, how much have you made today? Up right now, I've made $41. Nothing crazy, so you know. Haven't been able to catch the whole move today, just because, you know, getting scared out. I see signs that it's going to get out, and I will get out every single time when I see it. That stopping volume on a doji candle. So can't really do much. Plus, that candle I got out on squeezed over the high and then pulled back below the high. So that wasn't a sign of strength, and it just kept continuing to go up. So you can't catch the whole move all the time, which is fine. I'm just going for consistency. I'm not going for catching home run trades. So at the moment, I'm probably gonna make a run, probably one more trade for the day, and then call it a day. I mean, I don't know. I'm not even gonna have whatever it is. I'm just gonna, oh my gosh, BWV. Shit. What in the world? What a move. What an amazing move. Now we're getting hammered down. We're getting hammered down now. Or we were. We'll see if this... Good morning from Fiji. I'm one Russian. Do you day trade, position trade, or long term? What about crypto? I invest in cryptocurrency. I day trade, and like I'll probably position trade when I'm done trading cryptocurrency. Tomo Crypto, welcome. Good morning. How you doing, man? How you doing? All right, guys, I'm not here. We're starting to get the bounce on BBIG. Very low volume, so I'm not a huge fan of it. Oh my gosh, BBY, guys. BBY is absolutely ripping. Holy cow, we are going up into a halt. We'll see if this can actually, if we can hold it. Holy cow. What a move from BBBY. And we're halted, guys. BBY is halted now as we're absolutely cruising to the upside. Oh my gosh, holy cow. Thank you for the gift. Sorry, the chat's moving so quick. Market gonna go down very soon. Yeah, very well could. Gold, thank you for the gift. Good morning from Malaysia. Good morning from Ohio. In the US. What is all the screens used for? Watchlist, different time frames. The trading community that I'm in, that I get scanners, I get education. If you're looking to join my same community, go to the link in my bio and select Alpha Day Trading. It's the first link. Do you also trade synthetic in sides? No, I do not. Just an idea, from 234 has the most volume over the day in the open. Yes, but I'm trading penny stocks that have catalysts to be moving, so most of the volume for those penny stocks are going to be in the morning. What indicators I use? 90 EMA, 20 EMA, 50 SMA, 200 SMA, VWAP, volume, and RSI. Now, I don't use these indicators for stops. I don't use these indicators for entries. I don't use these indicators to find out what my strategy is. I use them as a reference to the overall price action in the market. What lot size do you use? It really depends on what kind of stocks. What indicators do you use? Salim from Dubai. Awesome. Dubai's pretty cool. Good morning from Small Island. Awesome. I love it that everyone's all over the world. VRAX prime to squeeze. Wait. Let's check it out. VRX low float recent IPO squeeze. I have traded VRAX before, but right now it does not look the cleanest. So we're not going to trade it. We have EAR continuing to pull back. BBIG looks like it's flagging. I really like BBIG for the flag. So we're gonna see if we can actually continue to get this on the 5-minute flag, I should say. Pulling back into this 147 to retest the previous high, as well as the 90 MA and the VWAP that we could look to test. And BBBY, good morning from South Africa. Whoa, good afternoon, actually. Oh, that's cool. Everyone's all around the world. That's awesome. I'm such in a boring place compared to y'all. I'm in Ohio. Come on, let's see this pullback and nice volume from BBIG. BWV squeezed all the way up to 517. Woo! We're starting to get some volume now. Let's see if we can get let's see if we can start to get some action on BBIG. Possibly room to break a new high. We're coming back right into this 50 SMA. Don't want to see it really fall back below, but it does look like we could continue to pull back. Pretty snappy. Someone just bought 10,000. This dumped even more. I like EAR for the possible squeeze higher. We're kind of getting not a huge fan of the risk to reward though. What coins do you recommend? Ethereum, Bitcoin, HBAR, VChain, ICP, Filecoin, Matic, XRP, but I don't really have a lot of XRP. What is your favorite moving average indicator? The 9 EMA. Share your prediction for Bitcoin. Bitcoin, I believe, is bearish. I called the top at like 24.5. Just because we're in this rising wedge, you probably can see it in the top. You can see Bitcoin's kind of going up into this rising wedge, and I think it's going to continue lower. We have room down to 19 to 20K. Your take on USD CAD? No, I don't trade show ETH. I don't trade Forex. Ethereum's pretty bullish. If we break this trend line, we're going to continue to push back to around 1,500. What do you think about Shiba? Shiba is a shit coin. No idea what's going to happen to it. What about BBBY? What's going on BBBY? BBBY was halted at 9:58.49. So we're going to be live at 10:03.49. So we're going to be live here in like 10 seconds. So we'll see what happens here. Let's see what is going on. Make sure to... We have bids at 35 and 50. Holy shit. What if this thing opens up crazy? There it is. It's open. You could buy for the squeeze, but I'm not going to. It's a little risky. Yep, there's the dump. There's the nice dump. I do think we're going to see some movement here, but I don't want to jump in here just because this is a false market move. I might look to jump in. We'll see if I can get a very good entry here for a nice move higher. They're very light volume. Very light volume. Let's see buyers start to step in. Once I see that buying order, those buyers start to step in. I'm going to look to take this up for the high of to 30. So I want to see those buyers start to step in and volume start to step in. We have 40 seconds left on this candle in the 1 minute. Very light volume in the 5 minute. I want this to be a false breakout of VWAP, a false drop below VWAP. Hot level to the downside is at 24.74, so we have good room. Let's see this start. We have 20 seconds left in this candle. Let's see a nice strong close in this candle. I'm going to look to take this up to $30. Take 15 shares or so. I missed it. Missed it. Still could rip up, but I did miss my entry off VWAP there. Unfortunate. That would have been a great trade. Would have been up over $1 a share there already. But it doesn't look super bullish, but it's bullish. It's going to continue to push. It's going to continue. I bet it's going to hit 30. Not on this candle, but it will hit 30. We'll see what happens. I'm not getting in, though, because I missed my entry. I did miss my entry. High level upside is at 29.79. Missed my entry off VWAP. Unfortunate. That would have been almost a $2 trade there. But, you know, it is starting to get hammered down now. So we'll see. Ear, I believe that's ear. Yeah, ear's starting to look pretty bullish. I do like that, how it's kind of consolidating. Nice wick lower. Let's go and let's see what we can do. I don't like that we just got rejected there. We'll see what happens over the next few candles. We have BBIG starting to get some volume, starting to get some action to the upside. We'll see if this is just a continuation. If we break over this previous high, break over 155, and have a false breakout, get some selling pressure, we are definitely going to see more to the downside here and have a head and shoulders. Shit, because I put all my XRP over to SHIB, so I might get wrecked. When do you think XRP will go up? I don't know. I'm not a huge XRP advocate, but I do have a bag, a moon bag. Just because, what is the most stable? Probably Bitcoin. Bitcoin is very volatile, but it's probably the most stable. Please inform. I don't trade. Got any statistics? Bro, got the statistics and G used. Yeah, I don't. What's your favorite moving average coins do you recommend? Oh, there's BBIG. Yeah, I don't trade Forex. Let's see a nice squeeze at the 165. Not a huge fan of either of the price action. And look, there's BBBY starting to pull back. About to dump on off. I like ear. Ear's looking very good. Ear's looking very good. I do like BBIG now for the possible flag and the possible move back up to starting to get to the bullish reaction in at 155. Might have had a really early reaction. Let's see if this thing can continue to get that squeeze. I like that. I want to see it stay above this area. I want to see it continue to push higher. We're not getting that volume. If we break over 156, we need to see that volume start to come in. If we don't see that volume start to come in, we got to see that squeeze over 156. See that squeeze over 156. Let's see these sellers start to get taken out. 156. There's 200 lots at 156. Not a huge fan of it. I want to see this volume start to step in. If we don't start to step in, I do think we're going to see this thing continue to push to the downside. Yep. Oh, we're starting to get some. Let's see these 156, 157. Let's see that squeeze up to. Let's see that squeeze up to 165. I like that volume. I want to see this thing continue to push higher. We have a minute left on this candle. Let's see that thing continue to push. I'm not liking it. Not liking it whatsoever. Once this thing... I want to see this push up to 160. Push up to 160. Not liking that candle at all. Well, let's see what happens. We have 6 seconds left. Giving it a little bit of room. Giving it a little bit of room here. Want to see it start to get some action to the upside. Just a nice inverse head and shoulders potentially. Let's see that volume push up into this area over 160. Break over this neck, break over 158. My stops are going to break even. Now we have head and shoulders off the 9 and 20 EMA. Getting a nice pullback into this area with a nice squeeze higher. Let's see buyers start to pull up. Break over 156. Let's see this push. There's the push. Let's see this thing squeeze, continue to squeeze. See this thing continue to push. Not wanting to push. You got to get that volume. This candle needs the squeeze. Candle needs to squeeze higher. Let's see that squeeze. We have 300 lots at 157. 157, 300 lots. Let's see him start to get taken out. 266 lots, 215, 288. He's starting to get taken out. Let's see that squeeze. Had to jump out there. Didn't like it. Got rejected. Pushed up higher and then got rejected. All right. Nice to meet you. So us, you got slow laptop. Some of us got slow laptops. Hey, it's all good. You can't do really fast trades. All right, guys. I just took a trade on BBIG. Got stopped out for less than a cent. So took less than $1 BBIG. So I'm up a whopping $40 today. So I am up a whopping $40. All right, buy Tilray now. I have no idea whether. Check Tilray. I can't see shit. What is he trading? Yeah, it's hard. I'm on YouTube, and I'm actually done trading for the day. If you guys haven't already, hit that follow button. And if you are looking to actually learn how to do trading, you can join the community that I trade with every single day. Alpha Day Trading, the first link is in my bio. You get hours upon hours of video lessons. You have daily lessons. You have free lessons. If you're just looking for something that you want to get some education, go there. There's free lessons. Go to the video lessons library, the intro membership. Free, but you do have to sign up for an account or a membership. You don't have to put in any payment methods. So I do like Alpha Day Trading. Use them every single day. Get these scanners. I have the copy trade app, which makes return, but today this guy has been messing me up. I don't think you should be copy trading anybody. So I'm done for the day. I'm up $40, nothing crazy, but I will see what we can do tomorrow. I mean, I traded, how much capital did I trade today? How much capital? Okay. I think I only traded like $1,400 in capital. So I made like 3% today. So 3% of what I was trading, that's great. I'll take that every day of the week. So I will see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning. If you guys are learning, again, check out the day trading. If you want to get some education, just give me a follow here and post some more. So thank you guys. I'll see you guys later. Woohoo! If you're on YouTube, I got 263 new followers. There we go, guys. There we go. That's what I like to see. That is what I like to see.